Today our engineer finished servicing this Carestream CS9000. Back to my daily photo and video mode before every shipment. Thank you all for your support, haha, thanks for the likes. This machine comes with both Panoramic and Ceph functions. This machine has been ordered by a customer from Mexico. Okay, time to start the exposure. Radiation is low, but we test dozens of machines daily. So better stay out of the way. Lightning fast imaging, Ceph images ready instantly. Wow, lightning fast imaging with crystal clear Ceph results. Next, we will perform a Panoramic imaging test. Clear images, stable operation, everything works perfectly. Thanks for tuning in, give us a like and follow.